Does anyone know what is it? Director office. Very good. Director of Education. Okay. So. So here we have with us Mrs. Kanta Chaudhary. She has come from the office and she just wants to know that whether you know about one very important term. I hope you all know it. It is good touch or bad touch. You all know about it? How many of you know about it? Just raise your hand. Most of you know. Everybody knows. In fact, I can see everybody is raising your hand. So, why did I ask you about the vehicle in which you are coming, your transportation vehicles? Children, when I come in the morning, I see many of the autos are moving in front of me. You all are wearing your skirts, and it is very important how we sit. So whenever you are sitting in a vehicle or anywhere for that matter, and if you are wearing a dress which can reveal your legs or your thighs, you have to sit carefully, isn't it? So if you are going to just spread your legs and stand, then if whatever you are wearing underneath your skirt, that is revealed and it can be seen by everyone. So don't sit like that. Every time you are supposed to keep your knees together and put them down and sit decently. That's very important. So will you follow this instruction? Yes, ma'am. कैसे बैठेंगे? घुटने साथ में जोड़ के और पैरों को नीचे करके, ताकि हमारे स्कर्ट जो है वो हमारे पैरों को अच्छे से ढक के रखे. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay. And another thing which is very important is that you all know that your parents love you all. Okay, and sometimes if, and all your teachers also love you. Okay, and but you all know that we all love you, but we all maintain some distance. And it is very important to know about your body parts. There are certain parts in your body which are called private parts. You all know about your private parts? We all wear clothes, and no matter what, we keep certain parts of our body covered. Isn't it? And why do we keep them covered? Because they should be kept covered. And if somebody is giving you a tap on your cheek, it's okay. Somebody is giving you a shake hand, you understand. And there are certain things which are revealed by the eyes. Somebody is staring at you or somebody is looking at you with affection. Are you able to make out the difference between the two? है ना, कोई आपको घूर रहा है या कोई आपको प्यार से देख रहा है, आपको समझ में आता है. तो इतना हमको सबको समझ में आता है कि कौन हमको किस नजर से देख रहा है. समझ में आता है? So that's very important to understand how somebody is looking at you. And you are not supposed to let anyone come close to you unnecessarily, whether she is a girl or she is a boy or she is a woman or she is a man or he is a man, irrespective of that. You all know, you all have close friends. Apart from that, कोई भी है और कोई भी अनजान इंसान अगर है, especially when you are coming in the vehicles, your drivers or anyone whatsoever, they are not allowed to touch you in any manner. You all understand this? तो उनके साथ में कभी भी किसी भी कारण से कोजी नहीं होना है. Even if it is your relative, apart from your mother and of course your father, anybody should be kept at a distance. That's very important. सब प्यार करते हैं हमसे. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि वो हमसे प्यार नहीं करते हैं. सब प्यार करते हैं, सब अफेक्शन करते हैं. कभी कभी हमको हग भी करते हैं, but we understand when they are hugging you, they might be hugging you like this, but they are not allowed to touch any of your private parts. And if something happens like this, कभी भी आपको ऐसा महसूस होता है कि आपकी बॉडी के इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स पे कोई हाथ लगा रहा है या टच करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, immediately there is one person to whom you are supposed to inform, and who is she? Your mother. And if it happens in your autos or vehicles or somewhere out, the second person to whom you can reveal about it is your teacher. Okay? So if anything happens in or if it happens in your autos or vehicles, you are supposed to inform. कभी भी ये सोच के कि कोई क्या कहेगा मैं नहीं बताती, ऐसी भूल कभी भी मत करना जिंदगी में, कुछ भी हो. Whenever you feel there is something which is not normal, you are supposed to inform. That's very important for your protection, because if anything goes wrong in life, there are certain things which cannot be unwinded or rewinded. जिंदगी में कुछ चीज़ों को, कुछ हादसों को हम वापस रिटर्न नहीं कर सकते हैं. There is no going back. So it is always better to take precaution. So I hope you all understand it well. और आपके टीचर आपको पढ़ाई के लिए डांट सकते हैं, आपको कह सकते हैं पढ़ो, हम स्ट्रिक्ट हो सकते हैं, बट वी ऑल लव यू ऑल, वी ऑल केयर फॉर यू ऑल, एंड वी ऑल आर बॉदर्ड अबाउट यू ऑल. हमें आपकी चिंता है. आप जिंदगी में एक बात को हमेशा गांठ बांध के रखना, डांटने का काम सिर्फ वो करता है जिसको आपकी चिंता है, जो आपकी केयर करता है. Anybody walking on the street will come and scold you, तुम्हारे नंबर क्यों नहीं आए. होता है ऐसा कि कोई भी आपको डांट रहा है, किसी को कोई मतलब नहीं आपके नंबर आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं. ठीक है ना. कौन डांटेगा. मम्मी डांटती है, पढ़ रहे क्यों नहीं हो, चिंता करती है ना. सबसे ज्यादा डांट किससे खाते हो. मम्मी से. और पापा से खाते हैं. पापा जनरली फादर्स जो है वो अपनी बेटियों को पैम्पर करते हैं. तो some are strict also, but your father cares for you, your mother cares for you, even your brother, your sister and your teachers, everybody. Anybody who cares will tell you what to do and what not to do. What is wrong for you, they will tell you not to do. You may like it or you may not like it. So, डरने की जरूरत नहीं कि मम्मी क्या कहेगी, ये सोच के मम्मी को नहीं बताने की कल फिर हो सकता है मम्मी मुझे खेलने के लिए नहीं भेजेगी, ऐसी बात नहीं सोचनी है. What you need to understand is that if anything goes which is not normal, which is beyond normal, you are supposed to inform your parents, you are supposed to inform the authorities in the school, you are supposed to inform your class teacher or any other teacher so that we can help you out. Okay? And stay away from any person of this sort who tries to touch you. Will you take this precaution? Give a promise to yourself that you are going to take a precaution to keep yourself safe. क्या करेंगे अपने आप से promise? I will take precautions. Repeat. To keep myself safe. Repeat it. And what are those precautions? Keep everybody at a distance from yourself, and if anybody is doing anything wrong, just inform. There are people who care for you and they will come for your protection. God bless you all. Keep healthy and keep safe.